You press a button. Your food gets hot. It's the most boring machine in your kitchen. But it was born from a weapon, an accident, and an exploding egg. The year is 1945. A war is ending. An engineer named Percy Spencer is standing beside a magnetron, the roaring heart of military radar. This machine was built to find enemy planes from miles away in the dark. Nobody believed it could ever touch your dinner. Then Spencer reaches into his pocket. The candy bar is gone. Melted. A warm, sticky smear against skin that isn't even hot. Something invisible did this. But what? So he does what curious people do. He grabs a handful of popcorn kernels and holds them near the machine. They erupt and scatter across the entire lab. Amazed, he reaches for an egg. It trembles. It swells. Then it bursts, straight into a coworker's face. Here's the secret. Those radar waves were grabbing the water hidden inside the food and shaking it millions of times every second. All that motion became heat, cooking from the inside out. A weapon of war had just made lunch. The first machine they built from that puddle stood almost as tall as a grown man and weighed more than 3 refrigerators. Now a shrunken version hums quietly on your counter. So tomorrow, when you press that button and your leftovers turn hot in 30 seconds, look closer at that boring little box. You are holding a tame piece of a war machine, cracked wide open by one melted candy bar.